2, 3.
But 1 second. What's good, YouTube? What? What's good, man? It's your boy. This your boy DJ, and I'm back with another video. I got my boy Tylan with me.
Yup.
We finna do a we already did them.
This part 2.
Part 2 of the mukbang, and Q&A. Got the questions y'all had asked me or whatever on Snap.
You gonna use your phone or you going out the head?
With the seafood, you know what I mean? Yep. Just imagine a lot of it, you know. But part 1 gonna be on this channel. The link gonna be down there. I got it. Alright,
I'll be to my quarantine and all this shit. You know, just stay safe.
Alright. First question is, are y'all single?
I'm single.
How single is, huh? How single?
How
Single.
How single.
What's the difference?
There's a difference. I can pull up on you tonight. Type of single. Like, that's that type of single.
Oh God. Me? No. I'm not that type of single. I'm like,
You a little bit.
insignificant, but I might die. I might die if I.
What?
How he pull up on you?
Well, yeah, I'm saying though.
None of that going on.
Yeah, like it's a mystery, like yeah.
You know, Mr. Girl.
Type
I ain't in a
single.
relationship though.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, but I'm not single. But I'm single. You get it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Dang. Next question, how old are y'all? I'm 19. 19 years old. I'm a old man out here.
Yeah, I'm 18. You feel me? We legal.
Yeah.
So if you catch us 3 in the morning, leaving Waffle House, mind your business.
Yeah. How much it on?
TurboTax.
What? Where do y'all see yourself in 10 years?
I ain't gonna lie. I know I'm gonna be on the road somewhere. It's straight though.
What is it?
Like in 10 years, I see me having like a business and putting smaller YouTubers on. You feel me? And we gonna be up. You feel me? Like I already know it. You feel me? Like
I see myself successful. Like,
Yeah.
for real. No cap. You know, I'm talking successful, like like having your money. Damn.
I can pay your mama light bill, auntie, and your grandma car insurance. Like that type of up.
I want to be successful, like have my money work for me. I'm sleeping and making money. That's why I see myself for real. And with a family too.
Yeah.
In
Like
10 years, yeah.
don't nobody gotta see no potential in me because I see it in myself.
Oh God,
So,
we
like,
see it in us, you hear me?
just wait. Like we might sign you. You feel me?
Oh,
I don't know what it's gonna be called, but yeah. You feel me? One day.
This ain't nobody but Floyd. My boy, my J Floyd. My boy said, how y'all feel about y'all ex? You go first.
Hold on. You need to go.
Nah, you go first.
Hold on. Hold on. I got some.
I'm gonna go.
Nah, don't go. I got this, bro. I got this. This is how I feel.
Triple, bro.
I don't know if y'all can see this, but this is how I feel. This is how I feel right there.
We gonna say it.
I'm not gonna say it.
Why you?
I'm not even gonna say it, but that's how I feel.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, okay.
You feel me?
I'm messing with it.
Yeah.
So what if they couldn't really see it? So you gotta tell it.
Well, it said.
Don't. Well,
I ain't gonna say it. You feel
don't
me?
tell them what they said, but just how you feel about it.
Bro, really, I mean, I'm chilling. You feel me? Like, I don't feel no type of way. It's like,
Yeah.
I don't have no type of way to feel. I don't think about her no more. You feel me? Like,
Yeah.
it's like this.
Yeah.
The bottom of my slide, really.
How I feel about my ex?
How you feel?
I'm good. That's how I feel. I really don't. You know, it could be better. Like, to have a better, like, I guess, relationship right now, but not in a relationship, but better, like, as friends. But I'm good. You feel me? I don't really think about her much. I mean, you know, stuff happens. It is what it is.
Stuff can happen.
But yeah, no hard feelings or nothing like that. I mean, I'm good. She good. Go.
A billion people on Earth. Next question.
Whoa, sure.
What that?
I'm
It's alive.
What you gonna buy, Gayden, Uncle D? I'm gonna buy Gayden. I'm gonna give y'all some money for him. I know probably somebody that Brianna said that. But
Gayden. Oh,
Gayden, what y'all gonna buy?
Hey.
It say Tylan. Oh, this for you. This direct. See,
But I read it to me.
Tylan.
Huh.
In our other video, you said that the girl had a fish smell. I just want to know why you still hit smash if she was.
Why is it like this, bro? Like, what?
Every time.
I mean, it was a move. Like, I ain't want to just leave without nothing. You feel me? I at least wanted to say, like, you know, I was in there. But
Was in what? That bitch was in a fish tank.
it'd be like that.
Oh no. So that's all you had to do?
I just wanted to have a word like, oh yeah, I did that. Really. You ain't have to ask that though. You ain't have to like put it out there.
Oh no. It's a. What's the best football team in T-Ville?
I say Dallas Mavericks.
What?
Dallas Mavericks.
T-Ville is Tunnersville, Georgia. That's where I live. For those who don't know. And Tunnersville High School, of course.
Alright, I mean Archibald really don't have no team.
This man up. Alright. Bro, who said it, bro? If Kanye really ran for president, would you vote for him?
No. He can. He trying to.
Bro, this man don't. He got some knowledge, but he don't really be knowing everything he be talking about. And I see that for myself.
Look at it. He made a dumb decision to get put on. That's why he trying to change his life around now.
Yeah.
You feel me? Y'all see he dropped the gospel album and all that other. don't know. I don't know.
I wouldn't run for him because like
Not running for him.
it gotta be somebody that's like.
It's so crazy because I don't care about voting. Like I don't care about none of that stuff. But it's like, you know, I don't.
Don't get me wrong. He's smart. I know he knows some of what he be talking about, but. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? You know what he talking about, but nah, I just can't.
Gotta vote.
It depends who you running against. Alright, next question is, when did y'all lose y'all virginity?
That was a question from the last video.
Yeah.
15.
You lost the 15?
Yeah. So people, they would be capping like, they be learning about, all 13.
He ain't even that serious to look out like that.
It's not even exciting. Like, oh, cool. It ain't me, so it don't got nothing to do with me.
Exactly. But I lost mine. Wait, that's almost so like 15, 16. 15 to 16. And it should been. Oh, wait for them. Let me stop. Yeah, but it just been, you know. Oh, shit, man. No.
Like, so yeah,
Like that.
man, we deep as fuck.
Gay.
Run this question.
What? What?
This question, bro.
You tripping, bro? No, pause, bro. What made
Oh, I'm tripping. My fault.
pause, bro? Alright. What made y'all start a YouTube channel?
I ain't gonna lie. I started a channel back in 2015, and I used to post like story times or whatever, and I was pulling like 300, 400 views. My highest viewed video was like 800, I think, and I just stopped. I deleted all the videos and I stopped because I was like, I was caring about what people had to say about me, but now I don't care.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, we was at Twins' house and we was talking. It was me, you, and Twins. We was talking, and that was before you made your channel. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start mine back up. That same day, I think I made a plan to do a prank or whatever. And next day I did that prank. Boom, first video of 2020.
Oh. Well, I've been at my channel before I started doing videos. I just didn't really have the equipment to even do anything, and I felt like I had to wait till I got to a certain point. But when I was able to get those equipment or whatever, that was that proper part. Then once I got what I needed, I was like, all right, it's up from here, you know. And I felt like, of course, I'm goofy, so I was like, I'm gonna love doing this. It's something I can really see myself doing, you know, on the side of eventually my main thing. So, yeah. All right, next question say, where's your dream place to live?
I think it's because I'm in Thomasville, so my dream, my expectations ain't as big as what it need to be. But I care less about a mansion. As long as I'm in a stable house, I'm straight. You feel me? Like I feel like even when I get to that point, I'm not gonna have no mansion.
Boys in the Hood on Channel 35. It's good.
What?
The boys took boy ball, football.
You talking to us?
Yes.
We need to finish that.
I don't even watch TV, Mom. You know that.
I know.
So
but
what?
I'm saying it'll be good for y'all to watch that.
Okay.
It's
As long as I got, I said 5 bedroom.
You know, yeah, that's something.
But to live at, I want to live in Los Angeles. LA, good place for opportunity. You feel me? But you gotta have money to be there.
Oh yeah.
You gonna go broke like job?
I got about 3 places I really want to live. I mean, I don't have to have no mansion like he said, but I'ma still get what I want at the end of the day. I know I'ma have a good house, a good looking house, probably, I don't know, 5 bedroom. I'm a car guy, so yeah, I'm gonna have my cars, you know, splurge.
Yeah.
But it'll either be Texas, LA, and Florida. Those are my 3 options that I really like. That I want to live.
Texas.
Cause I really like Florida. I'm from Florida, and Florida just look nice to me.
Well, yeah, Florida too.
Yeah, Florida just like that. So out of all 3 of them, it's probably Florida, then LA, or whatever. But yeah. Next question. If you could travel anywhere, where would you travel?
Bitch, I'm going. Yo, mama.
Yeah, mama. Yeah, but
I'm just playing.
where would you travel?
I don't know, like.
Travel.
Too high.
Travel. Like, okay, out of town, like out of US.
US. Bro, I want to go to Mexico. I ain't been to Mexico.
Mexico?
Yeah, Mexico. Be fine. I mean,
Mexico, yeah. But place I really want to go is probably.
we're gonna say Africa.
Nah. Bora Bora.
Oh yeah.
Bora Bora or Dubai.
Bitch, I forgot all about them places, like Dubai, all that. I forgot about all them places.
Yeah. It'll be either Bora Bora and Dubai. That's just some place where I'm gonna have to go. Like before I die, I'm going to Bora Bora or Dubai. Maybe both. No. Y'all might be able to see it with me. Alright, have you thought about rapping? Cause you look like you can spit a few bars.
Alright, check me out. Y'all know them videos that be like, I turned so and so to a rapper in 24 hours. I can do that. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, he'll really like rapper. So
500,000.
nah, but I can't. Man, I can't rap. Cause I can sing a little bit though.
Light skin shit.
You know.
Rolling his body and shit.
I can sing a little bit, but I don't. But I can. No cap. Alright, last question. Are we brothers? Yeah, that's my brother.
Like I said, we deep as fuck, so yeah. Like,
That's my brother.
you know, said, like,
Brother from another mother.
yeah.
And dad. All that. But yeah, that's my brother for sure. Oh, I gotta clean all this, man. I cleaned this plate like ain't nothing on it, oh God. But that'll conclude the video. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment what y'all thought about that.
And we doing a giveaway to whoever comment on the video. You win $1 that I touched.
First one, huh?
That I touched.
I'ma sign it.
This shit valuable. Like,
I'ma sign it.
I got my hands on it, bitch.
Y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, for the content on the way. Out of there.
Put in a dark bitch, stop in my heart, bitch, not a hard carpet, and look on a scar, bitch. Your girl bleed, my girl scream, your girl sleeping, my girl dreaming. They all creaming, we all creaming, we all creeping, they all screaming, we all eating.